When it comes time to finalize your contract for a particular record, you would go to Client Arrangement and Contract. Before you can adjust anything for a contract, you want to make sure that certain system settings are already set up. These include your products and your package pricing. So go to System Settings on the top right, Catalogs and Products. This will show you all of your merchandise that's currently in the system. If you need to add products, this is where you would do it, adding categories and adding products. The other setting that is critical to this process is your pricing setup and package pricing. In this particular list, there is package 1, 2, and 3. To edit a particular package, you click on the Edit button to the right. You can adjust any of the settings by just scrolling through. Once you make all of the changes that you need for a particular package, you would click on Edit Package on the top right. Now going back to your record, click on Record on the bottom, click on Contract, and use the drop-down to choose the particular package. It will automatically include the service amount. Any of these fields that do not contain numbers would simply not appear on your contract. If you need to add a particular service, you click on the plus sign, fill in the field here, and then add the price. You can scroll through this entire contract to see what it is that you need to add. The next section is merchandise. To add a casket from the inventory, you click on the plus sign, and you can go through the products that are currently listed and click on select for which one you would like. If the casket from your inventory is not visible once you hit this plus sign, you will have to go through your system settings, catalogs, and products to add that product to the database. There is also the non-inventoried section, and scrolling through additional merchandise from inventory and the merchandise that's not inventoried. This will give you your subtotal. There's also a cash advances section as well as your tax summary. Towards the bottom, you will see the contract summary. You can add a discount as well as discount notes. You can add the payment options. Also in this section, selecting the legal cemetery or crematory requirements. All you would do is click on which one applies to this particular record. The buyer information. If this information is the same as the informant, you would simply click on this button and it will populate all these fields so you don't have to add the information again. Once you've made all the changes you need to this contract, you simply click on Save on the top right. You can adjust the unpaid balance due by clicking on the calendar icon, and you can check here if the date of service is estimated. You will see over here the contract date as well as the contract type. One other setting that's very important in the contract setup is your taxes. So go to System Settings, Arranging Director Admin, and Sales Tax Setup. Once you've made any changes to the taxes that are listed here, then click on Update. If you would like to print the contract, use your print engine in the left menu. There are several options including stationery and tributes, but you would click on Contract. This will create a PDF which you can then save to your computer or print directly.